Hi, Emily here. Today we have a Q&A all about government loans. That is FHA, USDA, VA. So true or false? Government loans are for people with bad credit who cannot get other loans. Number 2, true or false? Government loans take longer to close. Number 3, true or false? The standards of the house or property are more difficult or stricter with government loans than with conventional loans. Number 4, consider the following statement. My offer didn't get accepted because it was a government loan. Number 5, true or false? You can use an FHA loan even if the house needs a lot of repairs. So that's the questions. Now, here's the answers. So question number 1 was government loans are for people with bad credit who can't get other loans. That is actually false. Sometimes people do have a bit of a credit challenge and they can only get an FHA loan, but FHA or other loans can also be used for purposes of getting a way better interest rate or sometimes 0% down. So there are a lot of other reasons to use these loans, and there are people with excellent credit that opt to use them. Number 2, government loans take longer to close. That's just plain false. Number 3, the standards for the actual house are stricter. That is true. For example, flaking paint is the prime example. Conventional loans don't care as much about flaking paint, or, for example, 3 stairs that have no railing could possibly pass a conventional loan, but it will not pass a government appraisal. Number 4, my offer didn't get accepted because it was a government loan. That is actually false. There are many ways to lose out on an offer that you make. Did you offer enough? Did you ask for seller concessions? Now, even conventional loans can ask for seller concessions, which is the seller to pay your closing costs, but that will work against you if you put that in your offer. What contingencies did you ask for? Did you load up your offer with a whole bunch of asking type of contingencies that make it unattractive? Especially a sale of property contingency tends to hurt people. Also, what did you include that favored the sellers? There's lots of things that you can put in an offer to make it attractive. For example, you could offer to cover any kind of required repairs. That will kind of level the playing ground between you and a conventional loan. If you expect the seller to do that, well, then that's going to hurt you. Another thing to think about was how big is your earnest money? The bigger, the better. So there's lots of ways to make your offer more attractive, and I have got almost every government loan offer I made accepted when they followed those guidelines. And number 5, you can use an FHA loan to buy a house even if it needs repairs. That is actually true. It's a special type of FHA loan, a rehab loan, and so even if the house needs significant repairs, you can use it if it's available. So I hope that this little quiz was fun. This is Emily Matthews, serving the Tri-County area of Calumet, Sheboygan, and Manitowoc counties, here to help you with all your real estate needs. Have a great day.